Man, I sure hope you guys are ready for Palantir this week. We had a crazy Friday, which we have to cover in this video, and we're going to break down just in general what the charts look like, what I'm looking to do this week, overall what the setup's looking like. So hit the like button, guys. Feel free to subscribe. We're almost, well, not almost, I always say that, almost at 100K. We're not almost at 100K, guys, but we're on the road to 100K subs, so make sure to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. So if you want 30 stocks for free pretty much, guys, and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo. And if you don't like the platform, you can take out your deposits and you keep your free stocks. It's free money. Linked down below. So let's get into it here, guys. Palantir had one heck of a recovery on Friday. We went from $78.58 on the low, which let me know in the comments if anybody bought that dip under $80. I'm actually curious. Let me know if you guys did. But we went from $78.58 all the way to $85.50 as of the aftermarket, guys. That's a move of 8.75%, almost a 9% move there, which at this point for Palantir, we're talking tens of billions of dollars of market cap, moving intraday now. And with that nice move, we actually barely had a green day Friday. We went up 15 cents, 0.2%, nothing crazy, right? And you guys can see we're still on a downtrend. You notice it on the 1-hour chart, on the 30-minute chart, and the very short term, we're still in a downtrend, which let me draw this trend line out. We're going to have to break out of here, guys. We're going to have to break out of here for any sign of a short-term rally, which as of now, we hit 78.58 on Friday. We took out the lows from the last couple of weeks with that move. And yes, we rallied into close, but we're still under the 180 SMA and this trend line on the 30-minute chart, and you guys see it on the 1-hour chart as well. So for a big move to come this week here, guys, we're going to have to break out of, honestly, the mid-high 80s. Start taking out the 180 and the 50 SMA. Well, forget the 180. The 50 SMA on this 1-hour chart, which then if we break out of that, maybe we make a move towards the 90s again, On the 30-minute chart, we're already above the 50 SMA. Now we're getting towards the 180 SMA, which is at 87.50. If that breaks, that could be setting us up for a move. So in the very short term, guys, pay attention to these small time frames. 30-minute, 5-day, 5-minute. Keep your eyes on the reversal on these smaller time frames, because that's what we have to watch to time it perfectly, right? So if we're able to get out of, I think, 87 to 88, preferably above 88, I think a short-term rally will be coming on PLTR, but we're not getting it yet. So that's where the patience comes into play, guys, and we have to set our alerts, which I just set mine at $87. I'll do another one. Why not at $90? We'll do this right now. Mark is at or above. There we go. And at this point, you guys probably know, I covered it a couple of times, but we're getting support at the right spot at about $80 per share. That was resistance, 80 to 85, more like 80 to 83, either way. That was resistance for a couple of months, about 2 to 3 months, right? We got hit there early December, all throughout December into January, up until the early days of February. Then we broke out of 80, 82, got all the way up to 125. You guys know that. So now we've pulled down. And by the way, officially, we were down over 35% from all-time highs on this drawdown, from 125 to 78. So we got the drawdown. Now we're getting buyers at the old resistance. It's acting as support like we've covered before. Now all we have to wait for, like I said, is the confirmation on the smaller time frames. if we're able to break out on the 5-day 5-minute, if we're able to break out on the 30-minute, 10-day 30-minute, that could be the confirming sign that, okay, we're really starting to take off now, and starting to break out and reverse on the larger time frame. So at this point, guys, it's a waiting game. If we bounce, which it looks like we are past $90, we're going to be breaking out. Or is this a fake out? It might be a fake out. Who knows? What if we go back under 80, take 78 out, and then all of a sudden we're back in this channel right here? Maybe we go down to 70, $72 per share. It's all a waiting game. We got to be patient and, have our targets. Know where we're going to buy, where we're looking to add more, where we're looking to lock in profits, sell. All that needs to be predetermined for the most part. So when it actually happens, we get to these prices, you're not screaming crazy like a chicken with their head cut off, not knowing what to do. So keep that in mind. Know your targets. Know, okay, I'm going to buy more at 70. I'm going to trim it if it goes to $100 again, if that's what you want to do. Not saying that's what you should do or whatever. Do whatever you want. All I'm saying is have the predetermined price targets, what you're going to do at these levels, and do it. Have a plan. That's the key when you're investing, trading, all across the board, right? So that's a quick rundown here on PLTR, guys. And it was a great day across the board on Friday, like we covered in recent videos. Stocks crushed it. Indexes crushed it across the board. We were up over 1% each, which is awesome. Some indexes were up well over 1%. So a lot of that obviously helped Palantir and a bunch of other stocks. And I'm thinking with how volatile the markets have been, we might sell off again this week. There's a chance. Who knows? And that could be what drags Palantir down. So you can't ever be so sure that we're breaking out, especially with how volatile things have been recently. But we'll take it day by day. Friday was good. It was a nice green day. So we'll take it, and we'll see now what tomorrow, Monday, has in store. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. I'm super curious. And by the way, run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs. Join the email list. It's free. I send out my top stocks weekly right to your inbox. Put your first name and your email address using that link right down below. And guys, look at these other green stocks. We'll do a rapid fire quickly. Roblox went up 5.3%. It looks like Roblox wants to break out here potentially. My alert's at 65. If that breaks, boom, we could be going high 60s, low 70s like that. Monster, MNST's looking great on the charts. We filled the gap back to 56. Now if we break out of here, maybe more upside around the corner for Monster. Coinbase is one worth watching. Crypto right now, guys, is going nuts. I'm pretty sure Trump just announced something about a strategic Bitcoin reserve that has Solana, I think XRP and ADA in it, something like that. And XRP's up 35%. Bitcoin's pushing 100K again as I'm making this video, guys. So maybe Coinbase, I think there's a chance we open up big tomorrow in the green. Time will tell. So what do you guys think about Palantir, these other stocks we quickly mentioned? Let me know in the comments. And before you click off the video, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100 using that link down below. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use the link down below. The clock's ticking, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.